Summer and it has been really hot lately, so I think that it's overdue that I start making more water-based projects. And personally, I think that the best way to kick that off is with this project. Because today, everybody, I will not only be teaching you how to make an easy to make and easy to use Hawkeye Bow, but also an arrow that uses a water balloon to detonate with water on impact. It'll actually be a bit hard because there's a few problems that we come across. For example, adding a water balloon to the tip of the arrow makes it so that the arrow has to be really sturdy and thick, which means we can't just use a bamboo skewer. We have to make the arrow thick and sturdy. However, coming across these problems, I feel like that we can solve them, and it should be pretty easy to do. That being said, let's just do this. So, it is pretty easy to make. The final product is pretty cool. A nice sleek bow. And the arrow, I made a notch right here for the arrow to slide into. It's pretty easy to use. It's like any normal bow. You string it and you let go. So, yeah. And it was actually pretty easy to make. I tested it out and it's pretty cool. So, I will show a montage of that right after this. And yeah, I did make this casing out of wire so that you can easily slide the water balloon in. It makes it a little bit heavier, but overall it works pretty well. it for today, everybody. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for what I should build next, feel free to comment below. Thank you, and I'll see you later.